How to fix YouTube comments not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have good Wi-Fi connections. Sometimes not connecting to a good Wi-Fi may cause this problem. You can also switch to mobile data and see if it works. If it still does not work, restart your device. After you have restarted your device, what you can do is open Chrome and search youtube.com and check if you can see comments from there. And the last option, what you can do is open Play Store. After you open Play Store, search YouTube, and if there is any update available, update your YouTube app. And this is how to fix YouTube not showing comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.